Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to take you through the steps necessary to go from making an offer on Yaystack to actually getting it integrated into your online point of sale system. So the first thing you've got to do is actually create an offer on Yaystack. I would invite you to watch our tutorial video on exactly how to do that. Second step is creating the same offer in your point of sale system using the same dates, details, etc. So if you're offering $10 off with a minimum order of $75 or more, etc., you want to make sure from this date to that date, you want to make sure all that is done on your back end as well. And then the third thing is uploading the Yaystack promo codes from the CSV file to your point of sale system, and that's what I'd like to show you on this video. So let's go back here and get started. Let's say we are looking at this scheduled offer, $10 off and $10 to charity. This is for an upcoming offer. We need to make sure that the promotion codes that are going to be used in this specific offer are integrated into our point of sale system. Under our actions button right here, you should also know that under this tab on the left hand side, if I click offers, I can also access the same thing here, my upcoming offers, $10 off and $10 to charity. I've got the same action buttons here, and what we're looking for is this download share codes button. So if I come back over here to calendar to conclude this idea, action buttons here, we've got the get offer link, edit, and then the download share codes button. If you simply click on that button, what's going to happen is we're going to download a CSV file onto your desktop, and when you open that CSV file, okay, you're going to see all these promo codes. So if you had created a limit of, let's say, 200 promo codes or whatever, then this is the list of promo codes. Column A are all the promo codes. You'll notice that the first 4 digits are Lion, which when we created that specific offer, that was our customization that we're allowed up to 5 digits. In this case, we put Lion, and the rest of them are random alphanumeric codes. And the second one in the CSV just says false, in that promo code has not been used yet. And that will turn true once that has actually been used. So you have 2 options from this point. One is you can highlight all the way down to the very end, highlight and then copy and paste them into your online point of sale so that these are recognized promo codes for your specific offer. Or if your backend allows for the uploading of a CSV file, you would simply have it upload this specific file. Guys, I hope this was helpful. Make it a great day.